If you want to add an interactive checkbox in LibreOffice Calc, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to insert a checkbox into your spreadsheet so you can build task lists, trackers, forms, or any kind of interactive sheet. This works great whether you're using Calc for personal organization, schoolwork, or business data entry. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to use, you can open that file directly. If not, on the left side under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet to start a new sheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, you're ready to add the checkbox controls. Now go to the top menu and click View. From the View menu, move down to Toolbars. In the list of toolbars, click Form Controls. This is the menu that gives you access to interactive elements like checkboxes, buttons, and other form tools. As soon as you click it, the Form Controls toolbar should appear on your screen. You'll usually see a row of small icons, and one of those icons is the checkbox tool. Click the checkbox icon to select it. After that, go to the area of your spreadsheet where you want the checkbox to appear. Click and drag on the sheet to draw the checkbox in the size and position you want. Once you release the mouse, the checkbox will be placed on the spreadsheet. At this point, it may still be in design mode, which means it won't act like a normal clickable checkbox yet. To make it work properly, look back at the Form Controls toolbar and click the Design Mode icon to turn Design Mode off. This is a very important step, because if Design Mode stays on, the checkbox won't behave the way you expect. After turning it off, your checkbox becomes interactive and you can click it normally. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a checkbox in LibreOffice Calc. You can repeat the same process to add more checkboxes anywhere in your spreadsheet, which is perfect for to-do lists, attendance sheets, project trackers, or simple yes or no forms. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.